Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be listening to a song, a Malayalam rap song by Baby Jean. Yes, in the last video when I reacted to Ballata Jati, so I was very intrigued to see and listen to Baby Jean's vocals, like his cadence basically, and I found it very unique, and I saw a lot of comments asking me to react to this particular song by him. The song is called Bandana, and this came out a year back. Has 5.2 million views. Whoa. So clearly the song is amazing. So yeah, I don't want to delay this any further. Let's listen to Bandana right away. This does not have the subtitles, by the way, so I will not know the translation. So I'll just vibe to the song, the music, and his rapping and his cadence basically. So yeah, let us begin. In fact, this is called Cafe Vibe by the production, I think. It says Cafe Vibe Presents. That's the first screen which is open right now. So yeah, let us begin. Oh wait, did I put it on recording? Oh, I did. Suryansh, I'm starting this again. मैं भूल गई थी कि मैं recording पे डाला है कि नहीं. Okay. Alasha. Interesting. So that's his vocal, like that's his cadence style, that is his rapping style, this is how he raps. Okay, confirmed. Doubt has been cleared, guys. Doubt has been cleared. We should have the subtitles. This music is amazing in the background. Okay. Best fashion icon. Damn meaning. I would love to know. Oh my god, okay. What's that? Bandana TBJ, Baby Jean, the Baby Jean. Wait, yes, the goat. So the creative director and the concept is by him only, and costume by Baby Jean. That's why the best fashion icon, huh? But I really like the black and blue combo. Firstly, blue is my favorite color. So anyway, now here, okay, I am guessing this. The way it starts the video, because now there are no translations also and there is obviously I don't know Malayalam, but the way the video starts with him kind of, it has, because the song is also called Bandana, then you see the fashion icon thing, then he's actually stitching, and it's kind of like, you know, he's also the costume designer here. So I don't know if it's, what is the take on the song is what I'm wondering. What is the take on the song? Like, and also this has a very gangsta vibe. So it's like there are 2-3 things which are running in my mind. Firstly, there's something related to fashion for sure, because it kind of shows that, you know, he's sewing and all of this, a sewing machine and everything. Then you see that TV glimpse and all of those things. Song is called Bandana. So that's one thing where my mind was like, okay, is it related to something related to fashion? Second thing, you see a very mafia boss kind of vibe as well in the song. So in my head, I was like, okay, is this playing into some, like, is this some deal going on? And there's some, because you see those visuals, right? And I'm thinking, after seeing that, okay, the creative direction is given by Baby Jane, I'm thinking in my head that, okay, what can be the concept? What can be the concept, right? And it's so now for someone who doesn't know the language, it's like really fun to guess all of these things, right? So one other thing is like, okay, this is like a mafia boss kind of thing. The third thing I was thinking, okay, because the song sounds a certain way, it could be a flex also. Because now Baby Jane is the GOAT and he is able to kind of like afford all of these big fashion labels and stuff like that. But the video did not suggest that. But I was kind of thinking in that way because the song and his cadence also sound like that, where he's probably flexing. Like, this sounds like a gangsta flex kind of song. Now you tell me how off or how correct I am. Basis just the visuals and the way it sounded, the way Baby Jane is rapping. I love unique voices in rap. So when I reacted to Balata Jati, his voice was the first thing that I completely noticed. You know, because I was not knowing him. I knew Neeraj Madhav. I listened to Dubsy. I love Dubsy. You guys already know that. So, but Baby Jane was the surprise package for me. And boy, oh boy, I love his voice here. So I'm guessing most of his songs, he sounds like this. And I love this cadence. I really, really dig like deeper voices, you know, generally in songs also, but specifically in rap. I love it. I just don't know, it just gives a very different kind of edge to the song for me. So, and this has been constant, like, because I react to a lot of hip-hop stuff across, like, from our country, from other countries. So, but the thing is, like, I'm quite, like, I've listened to enough hip-hop to make this judgment for myself that what I like and what kind of cadence I actually like. And his is amazing. I love his voice, love the way he rapped. And it is, the only thing here is, I wish, because it's been like 1 year, I wish they had updated it with subtitles, because when the song has such a reach, one might think that, okay, it's going kind of mainstream, we will like to make it more and more mainstream, so let's put the subtitles, but they have not chosen not to, which is, well, it's fine, no problem, because I know you guys are there to help me out. But thank you so much for suggesting the song. This was fun. Please do keep suggesting such rap songs as well, because I really enjoy listening to them. And yeah, that was the reaction to Bandana by Baby Jane. And yeah, that was it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, along with your other suggestions and recommendations. And I'm gonna sign off now from this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.